الراجل ده بيقول انا بدأت اتعلم انجليزي في شهرين بس، وبعد كده وصلت لمستوى كويس جدا. تعال نشوف الفيديو دوت هو ازاي قدر يوصل لمستوى كويس في خلال شهرين، وكمان نتعلم من الاخطاء اللي هو هيعملها في الفيديو. طبعا هنشوف الاخطاء اللي هتحصل في المحادثة، ونبدأ ان احنا نصلحها ونقول لك ازاي تتجنب هذه الاخطاء. يلا بينا. Okay, Bashar, tell us more about yourself, man, and we would like to know how you managed to learn English in 2 months' time.
First of all, my name is Bashar. I'm from Jordan. I studied computer engineering in university. I graduated last year. So the second part is my English. First of all, I used to watch a lot of English movies and series, and also listen to a lot of English. And I was able to understand everything I listened to. So I just realized that I should try to communicate with natives or people speak English. So I live in Jordan. It's quite hard here in Jordan to do it. So I tried to join a lot of platforms to communicate with these people. And finally I found an English server in Discord. I start to join every day there to communicate with people and everything, gaming, policy, politics.
طبعا لما بتكون بتتكلم عن السياسة بتقول politics مش politic. لازم تقول politics.
I mean finance topics. After a while I just realized that these people will not take you in a serious way or respect you if you didn't get a strong English or a good accent on it.
My question is, you said you managed to do that in 2 months' time only, so I just need to know how. If my English is 0, let's say for example my English is now 0, I am A1 for example, what is the plan that I am supposed to follow, considering you followed this plan? What is the plan that I am supposed to follow to reach the level where you are now in 2 months only, man?
Okay, first of all, if you didn't understand any word in English, don't search on the meaning of this word in Arabic.
طبعا أنا في خطأ في الجرامر لأنه قال don't search on the meaning of this word. طبعا لما تكون بتدور على حاجة بتقول search for، لكن search on انت كده بتدور على محرك بحث معين. مثلا search on Google، انا كده بدور على جوجل. طب بدور على ايه؟ بدور مثلا على معنى كلمة، فاقول مثلا search for the meaning of this word. search for مش search on. مهمة جدا.
Ask the person who said this word to you to explain it to you in English, or just search on the meaning on English. This is the first thing you should do. The second thing is just memorize the statements, not the words.
طبعا أنا في خطأ في الفوكابلري، إن كلمة جملة معناها sentence مش statement. هو قصدي يقول إن أنت تحفظ الجمل مش الكلمات، فيقول to memorize sentences not words.
Don't memorize the words separately.
طبعا هنا كلمة separately بالبي مش بالبي. طبعا هو قال separately بالبي، الصح انها separately P separately. في فرق طبعا بين البي والبي، لازم تاخد بالك منه كويس جدا.
Because when you just memorize the words, your brain will not function in English. There is simple thing. Your brain functioning in your mother language. If you wanted to be a native speaker or advanced speaker in the language, you should just make your brain switch to the English.
Right, so you are telling us not to let your brain function in your mother language, which is Arabic, and you have to shift to the language you are learning. Right, so many people are actually asking us, how can we do that? How can I change my brain, or how can I think in the language that I am learning, not the language that I speak with naturally?
The thing I try to do all the time is just to think, or overthinking inside my brain in English, because I find it kind of easier for me, because when you're talking to yourself in Arabic, it's kind of awkward for you. So just switch to the English and you will find it easier. After talking to yourself inside your brain for a long time in English, your brain will start to think in English, not in Arabic. This is the trick I used before and it works for me. I don't know about the others, but everyone has a different story. So you should find yours, just to try a lot of things, and eventually you will just find the trick that will improve your English.
Right, your English level is B2, man, and there is no way to reach this level in 2 months' time. That's impossible, man.
You are saying that I'm I did a miracle, or I'm lying?
No, that's a miracle. You're not lying, that's a miracle. Okay, man, I am very happy to have a chat with you anyways, and I thank you ever so much